In this video, I'm going to show you how to write equations in Draw.io. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Extras up top, and you want to make sure you have mathematical typesetting enabled. So make sure there's actually a check mark. After that, click on this question mark next to it, which is going to take you to a separate page, which tells you have three options. You can basically use LaTeX, inline LaTeX, or ASCII math, okay? I do think ASCII math is going to be the easiest, so what I would recommend, just go to asciimath.org, and in here you can create your own equations. So if you scroll down, you can learn how to actually write these things over here. It's not that complicated, and then you can basically put the input over here, and you can see how this is going to look like inside, for example, Draw.io whenever you write this in using ASCII math. Whenever you're happy, just go ahead and hover over it and copy that. You want to go inside here and you want to paste it in, so paste it in like that, but right now it's doing nothing, as you can see. So what you have to do is, once you have this enabled, make sure you go to this question mark, and then here you can see ASCII math has to be between this symbol, okay? So you have to basically copy this symbol, or you can even type it down on your keyboard if you know how to do that. My keyboard does not have that button, so I'm just gonna have to copy that. You have to go here, and then at the very beginning of your equation, you want to put this, and at the very end as well. Whenever you do this, click out of here, and as you can see, this is now your equation in here inside the Draw.io. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.